So finally, today it's 31st of December 2020. I think this is going to be the last video for the year. I know we all are excited to welcome 2021. The thought of a new year, a new beginning gives us that hope and lightens our heart to achieve greater things in our life. I think timing changes everything. If you are hearing it at the right time, at the right place where you have to hear it, then probably this information could be helpful and fruitful to many of us. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're watching me for the first time, let me introduce myself. I'm Shanti Mangalan. So the whole point of starting a YouTube channel was out of passion. So all I wanted to do was share my experience, and one thing I realized that going forward, whatever we learned, if we don't utilize that information, it goes unused. So I realized these days never come back. So I'll store up the information so that future me could actually browse back through my channel and brush up the basics that I have learned through my life. And in this process, I can also help a lot of people who are looking forward to hear the same information. So these are the few things I told to myself in the beginning of 2020 so that I don't get distracted and just focus on my goals, and by the end of the year I can accomplish whatever I have aimed for. So the first thing is that realize the fact that you're exactly where you have to be. So not your past or your current situation or your sufferings are meant to be different. It's exactly what it's meant to be. It's for a purpose. You'll only unlock the reason when the time is right. So hold on to your lessons. When the time is right, you can use your skills. So before I tell the other things that I said to myself, I'll just elaborate you how I started my year. So in the beginning of the year, I realized that though I was earning, I was doing a lot of stuff. I was independent, I had money on my own. I didn't have to actually depend on my parents as well, even though when I was not working. But then I was not satisfied the way I was looking, or I realized that I have no time for my family, and it's been like 9 years that we spent time together. So I understood the fact that maybe if not now, I may not have time in the future. Once I get married, my life can change. So that's when I realized that I had to stay home with my people, focus on myself and do something that can actually make sense. So my resolution for 2020 was very clear. The first thing was to lose weight. The second thing was to spend time with my family. So Corona was a blessing in that sense because I could just stay home and focus on myself, and my family was also very near to me. So I got a lot of time to spend with my family. Because in 2011, I left to Bangalore for pursuing my education and then job, and things kept me busy that I really didn't get time to actually come back, stay at home, spend time with my family like it used to be when I was in school and college. And then comes the second important thing, to take control over the situation. See, basically the first step of realization itself is a big thing. Once you understand where exactly you're standing, you have to take control over the situation by preparing some goals. Situations and circumstances will bring a lot of changes in everybody's life, but then planning it ahead and adjusting with the situations will make a huge difference. So what I'm trying to say is, have a goal, get a clear vision, make a plan, track the progress. Rather than focusing on the result, track the progress. If you're at least little better than what you were yesterday, I think that's the biggest achievement any person can ever have in their life. Just try to be better than yesterday, because we don't want our efforts to go in vain. So the most important thing is to stay on track so that ultimately we reach our goals. Sometimes, we don't get to see the desired results that we are actually wanting, and we may give up. So never do that. Track the progress. If you're better than yesterday, that's the most important thing, and you're one step closer to your goal. Maybe you're not seeing it right now, but eventually you'll see it. People will notice a change and you will be recognized for all your efforts. The third step is the most important and fun-loving part of all of the things that I told to myself, because we realized where we are, we made a goal, we made a plan, but the most difficult part is believing in yourself, because having a vision means seeing the unseen nobody have ever seen or heard. It's just you who have visualized that. So nobody knows yet. So just because someone else didn't see what you were able to visualize doesn't mean that it's not gonna happen. Never let their question your credibility to see the future and your belief. So believe in yourself and don't lose hope. Eventually things will definitely turn out in your favor. So what I mean to say is that life is all about choices. Every day you make a choice. So in the beginning of the year, now that you have an opportunity, why not make a goal or vision for yourself to achieve your dream? I'm not telling the path is going to be easier. All I'm trying to say is when the time is right, you'll realize whatever you're struggling for was worth your time and effort. So make sure to make your own choices. Never let any other people's opinion or judgments make you to change your track. So the fourth important thing is that always take responsibility for your actions. Trust your instincts. Bigger things take time. Have you heard that Rome was not built in a day? It requires a lot of patience to actually believe when you have a vision. So the progress may be slow, but trust me, it will definitely be fruitful. So inculcate patience in your routine and channelize all your pain, anger and emotions to your goal, so that when the time is right, you'll understand exactly what you had been suffering was worth your time and effort. So the last but the most important thing that I would like to share with you is that never underestimate your self-worth. In spite of all the criticisms and judgments, never ever doubt your own self-worth. Be selfish, but at the same time be selfless, and socialize and share your experience, or be helpful to the other person. One thing that I have learned this year was that sharing and caring made a lot of difference in my life, helped me to empathize, and to hear out other people actually helped me to learn a lot of things. And I'm very thankful to God that I could experience all of that favor and gratitude what other people were feeling for themselves. And myself, I had a lot of gratitude to God for everything I had and I owe and was mine, and it all made sense. So let me just summarize the whole video in 5 simple steps. You're exactly where you're meant to be. The second is realize the fact where you are and take control over the situation. The third is that in spite of all the odds, believe in yourself. The fourth is take responsibility for all your actions. Fifth important thing is that never ever underestimate your self-worth. So frame it however you want it to be like, but say it to yourself and achieve all your goals. I can't wait to see you all in 2021. So I truly believe that you'll uncover the treasure that is meant for you. Never stop dreaming. I really wish that you achieve all your dreams. And by the end of 2021, when I see, maybe I can hear out a few stories that helped a lot of people after watching this video. So I wish you all a happy new year. So like I always say, do follow me on Instagram, join my Telegram group, keep checking my other playlists, subscribe to my channel. I'll be back with another video soon. Till then, bye. Take care.